Hi there everyone. If you are looking for a 3D CAD software for Macintosh and thinking of which software should I go with, where I need to pay a minimal cost. Well, in this video, we're going to talk about a free 3D CAD software that is not only free and comes with all the required features, but also have got huge open source community base. And I am hoping that you already have guessed this software. I am talking about none other than FreeCAD. And as you know, we are already building FreeCAD. And unlike many popular software which are not available for Mac, FreeCAD is also available for Mac. So let me quickly visit freecad.org. So let's quickly install it. So simply type here freecad.org and hit enter. And there we go. This is official site of FreeCAD. FreeCAD, I would say, have done excellent job in creating the software and making it available for free for everyone. I definitely recommend you to donate certain amount such that the developers can keep on innovating and growing this. Now let's talk about how we can download. Well, I would say download process is pretty straightforward. All you need to do is you need to click here on download now, and then here you can see we have got these three options, which means that not only you can install it for Windows and Mac, but also you can install it in Linux. Okay, so right now I am running Apple Silicon powered Mac, and so most of Mac OS users who have got M series processor, they simply can click here on Apple Silicon. But if you are using old Macintosh, which is powered by Intel processor, then they also have option to go with Intel variant. And here we can see the process of download has begun, and I'm gonna wait for a while. Okay, so here you can see we have successfully downloaded this setup. So let me open it, and there we go. So here we have got this package file, this DMG file. All I need to do is I need to make double click on it, and I simply need to drag this app from left to right. So I'm gonna simply hold my left mouse button and I'm going to drop it here. And now here you can see the process of installation has begun. And finally here we can see we have successfully copied it to application folder. Now let's close it. You can also close this. And now, of course, you can also close this website. And let's go here in our dock, apps. And now you need to look for FreeCAD. And there we go. Simply click on it. And here FreeCAD opening for the first time in Mac. And it is saying that it is downloaded from internet. So, and are you okay to open it? Say yes. And there we go. Finally, here we can see we have successfully installed FreeCAD in Macintosh. And now here you can see the familiar layout. From here you can select the work in. I'm going to keep part design as it is, and then I'm going to start our first ever part. And then from task, I can click on create body, create sketch. And there we go. So here you can see we have created our first ever part in FreeCAD in Macintosh. So in this way, guys, you can install FreeCAD 3D parametric software inside Macintosh, and that too for absolutely free. In the end, I would say subscribe to Engineering Pritam to follow complete PTC Career parametric course, where we are covering everything from 0 to advanced level for free. And I will see you around in our next one. Till then, you take care and bye-bye.